Hi second graders, today we're going to talk about 3D shapes, and that goes with this math paper 12.8. So what's the difference between a 2D shape and a 3D shape? So 2D stands for 2 dimensions, meaning that the shape goes up and down and it goes side to side, but it doesn't go front to back at all. It's just flat. 3D is when a shape goes up and down, side to side, and front to back. There's actually something there. It's 3D. It's not just flat like a piece of paper or a drawing. It's an object that has 3 dimensions. So again, side to side, up and down, and front to back. So I'm going to go across this worksheet and talk about each of these kinds of 3D shapes. Another word for these 3D shapes are geometric solids. They're actually solid. So that's just another word for these. The first one that you're supposed to color red is a cylinder. A cylinder is just a circle that we've extended back. So here's a cylinder. Here's also a cylinder. It should remind you of a can of soup, a can of pop, stuff like that should remind you of a cylinder, because that's what they are. Could even be a can of tuna, one of those skinny, flat, short cans, you know. Next one is a cube. You're supposed to color all the cubes on your paper orange. And this is a cube here because each side of it is a square. So every side is a square on a cube. Next one, cone. I had to make this cone because our kit didn't have one in it, but a cone is a circle that we've extended to a point, and it should remind you of a birthday hat or an ice cream cone or a traffic cone. That's a cone. The next one that you're supposed to color green is rectangular prism, and I actually had shown you one of these already. So it's just a rectangle that we have extended back. This is a rectangular prism. This is another example of a rectangular prism. So a rectangle that we've extended back. Okay. And then last on the page, you're supposed to color the spheres blue. So this is a sphere. A lot of kids would just call it like a ball. Balls are spheres, globes are spheres, anything that's round, just a circle that we've made 3D. Finally, I noticed on this paper that they included in some pyramids, and it doesn't tell you what color to color that, so I guess just leave that one blank.